Number 1. No stacks and one-handed. Only stack identical items, like dishes, bowls, and cups. Unique items must never be stacked. This paint shelf is a violation, as are these snake oil shelves. Stacking unique items invites chaos. When working, you very rarely have both hands free. Keep your things organized such that each item may be removed and replaced using only one hand. This crawl space door is a violation, as are these kits. Number 2. Kit your shit. Decentralize your mess with multiple kits. Keep your kits packed. Do not migrate kit contents. Do not migrate the kits themselves. Keep each kit where it lives or return it immediately after use. The necessary evil twin of kits is junk drawers. Junk drawer chaos preserves your kit's organizational integrity. Junk drawers are not always drawers. Keep junk drawers small. Liquidate them regularly. Number 3. Find your organizational talismans. A talisman is a magical trinket, like a dream catcher. To keep this studio and workshop organized, we stock and revere a pentaverate of organizational talismans. Binder clips, Post-its, super sticky, number 64 rubber bands, push pins, aluminum and stainless, and hooks, American hooks, Japanese hooks, bought in Japan.
This channel in no way endorses the occult, but we do make fun of it.
Number 4. Learn to build shelves. Don't be intimidated. You need wood, shelf brackets, screws and wall anchors, a level, a drill and bits, and a saw and sandpaper. 80 grit. Even chaotic shelves look somewhat organized. Learn to build them. Learn to anchor them. Learn their limits. Shelves beget the genesis of your organized life. In the beginning, there was shelves. Number 5. Customize. Encourage organization by indulging in customization. Customization allows us to maximize our space and helps us to stay organized. Jumper cables are inherently messy and unruly, but we are the type of people who carry jumper cables in our car because we are organized. With a bit of customization to this flare gun box and to the jumper cables themselves, we maximize the space in our truck by improvising an engine compartment storage system for our jumper cables. May your practice of customization sanctify your ritual of organization.
One of these days, I'm gonna get organized.
You mean organized?
Organized. Organized. It's a joke.
This week on the Patreon, Zine 1 has been retired. Zine 2 is available to the next 499 new patrons who sign up. Here's the link.